The celebration of Republic Day is going to be a bit different from the past due to the pandemic. Let us leave 2020 behind and strive to take India to new heights in 2021. लेकर सांस मुट्ठी में झुका गई हिमालय को, हाथ में थाम तिरंगा, अमर कर गए जो खुद को, लहू सींच करके फिर बना गए समृद्ध भारत। उन वीर देश के जवानों को हम याद करेंगे युगों युगों। Saluting India, where each bud blooms in trio colors, where each day in celebration of unity, harmony, and synthesis. Saluting the brave hearts who made the supreme sacrifice in service to the nation. Saluting Indian Army's indomitable courage, valor, and sacrifices. A very pleasant morning to esteemed chief guest, respected principal sir, cherished faculty members, parents, and my dear friends. We are celebrating 72nd Republic Day today, and I, Meenakshi Chaudhary, wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. भारत राष्ट्र मुकुटमणि सबका देशों में बलधारी, यहाँ के कण कण में रहते हैं राम कृष्ण अवतारी। भारत भूमि पर बलिहारी कहे पुष्पेंद्र कर यशगान, मेरा भारत देश महान। India is the largest democracy in the world and one of the most ancient civilizations. Unity and diversity is India's strength. There is unity and simplicity in every Indian, which is our strength. It is a great honor for me to introduce and welcome our honorable chief guest, Mr. Satyarth Dhankar. He is well known for his work in the field of education and health of poor children. He had been working as a social worker and teacher for more than 21 years. We are really thankful to him for taking the time out of his busy schedule to attend the function. गणतंत्र दिवस हमारे देश का एक सबसे बड़ा राष्ट्रीय त्योहार है, क्योंकि 26 जनवरी 1950 को देश में अपना संविधान, अपनी सरकार, अपना राष्ट्रपति और राष्ट्रीय ध्वज हो जाने पर भारतवर्ष विश्व का सबसे बड़ा गणतंत्र राष्ट्र बना था। On 26 January 1950, a salute of 21 guns and the unfurling of the Indian national flag by Dr. Rajendra Prasad heralded the historic birth of the Indian Republic. And every year, we Indians feel pride while seeing the national flag unfurling on this day. And let us all celebrate this day. First of all, I request to our chief guest to come and light the lamp and enlighten the audience with his precious words as we begin with the event. With the lamp lightning, let us march from ignorance to awakening. Let us march from darkness to light. And let us march from mortality to dignity. Thank you very much, sir. And now I would request to our principal sir to hoist the national flag, pride of our country. Now you all please stand and get ready for national anthem. है अमन की पहचान ये मेरे देश का झंडा, लहराए आसमान पर यह भारत का तिरंगा. Now let us march past the flag by saluting our achievements. Let us ponder over our mistakes and learn lessons from them. Let us march forward towards a great tomorrow and get ready for the tremendous fun. The students are going to begin the march past. The whole country is in debt to Corona warriors who have risked and even given their lives to protect others. Nation's Corona warriors is the center of attention this year for their noble service in the fight against the coronavirus pandemic. We salute the frontline warriors who have given their lives while fulfilling their duties. Let's we pay tribute to them and pray to God for them and their families. Here I would call Suryansh to deliver a speech. Thank you, Suryansh. From the Himalayas to the Indian Ocean, desert of Thar in the snowy mountains of Sikkim, India is a country full of beautiful landscapes and beautiful people. India is a unique country with diversity. जो रंग बिरंगी संस्कृति का अनूठा जहान है, रंगी हुई जिसमें धरा निखरा आसमान है, जग में निराली शान अलग ही पहचान है, वो मेरा हिंदुस्तान है, वो मेरा हिंदुस्तान है. We plan to dance to the famous beats of patriotism, and the song is Suno Gaur Se Duniya Walo. Amazing performance. The tricolor, national flag of India, is something that the nation has owned. This flag today is hosted on free land only because of the sacrifices made by the freedom fighters. Let us stir up love and respect for the country through this song. माँ तुझे सलाम, तू मस्तक पर विराजे, यही है मेरी शान। तिरंगा मिले कफन में मुझे, यही उपहार होगा तेरा। हर जीवन तेरे आंचल में खिले, यही अरमान होगा मेरा। संपूर्ण भारतवर्ष आज उन वीरों और महापुरुषों का ऋणी है जिन्होंने अपना सब कुछ छोड़ संपूर्ण जीवन देश की आजादी के लिए समर्पित कर दिया। भारत माता के ये महान सपूत आज हम सब के लिए प्रेरणा के स्रोत हैं। इनकी जीवन गाथा हम सभी को इनके संघर्षों की बार बार याद दिलाती है और प्रेरणा देती है। आज उन सभी स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों, वीर शहीदों के त्याग बलिदान को याद करने और उन्हें नमन करने का दिन है। स्टेज पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी कक्षा 9 से मानसी को। आए गणतंत्र दिवस के उपलक्ष्य पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करें। दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल, रघुपति राघव राजा राम। I am proud to say that I belong to the land of many great people like Mahatma Gandhi, a great soul. He is honored in India as the father of the nation. Gandhi ji is an inspirational figure for millions of people today. A stern follower of ahimsa or non-violence, Gandhi drove the Indian independence with utmost patience and perseverance. Here is Diya and Shipra with the song that evoke memories of the father of the nation. So please welcome them. Superb performance. Really, the change Gandhi ji brought about in our nation was nothing short of a miracle. उनके हौसले का मुकाबला ही नहीं है कोई, जिनकी कुर्बानी का कर्ज हम पर उधार है। आज हम इसीलिए खुशहाल हैं क्योंकि सीमा पे जवान बलिदान को तैयार हैं। On the peaks of Himalayas, the stretch of desert, dense forest or the depth of the seas, the valor of our soldiers has always triumphed in every challenge. This year, Indian Army faces a unique challenge. Never in history did India have such a large deployment of troops in the eastern Ladakh sector. We respect the sacrifice soldiers have made for us. Let's celebrate what they do for us and enjoy the next performance, which is a group dance. Here we welcome boys of class 9th on the floor. And let us enjoy the performance. Really, it was a heart-touching performance. You made us feel like we were dancing with you. Now, our principal sir, Shri Vedvansh Chauhan, is requested to come on the stage and address the audience. Please, a big round of applause for principal sir. Thank you very much, sir, for appreciation and motivation. Today, we all pray for India's advancement, rising as a powerful nation, leading the world in the years to come. Our ancestors gave us a glorious past. We need to create future. और हम सब प्रतिज्ञा लेते हैं कि हम अपने देश की एकता और अखंडता को बनाए रखने में सहयोग करेंगे और देश के विकास में बढ़ चढ़कर योगदान करेंगे. Here we end today's program. Thank you everyone for joining us. Once again, a very happy Republic Day. Thank you.